What's up, Glamour Squad? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making these cute candy heart dishes, perfect for either your entryway and or your office desk. I got these glass heart dishes from the Dollar Tree, and the paints I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm using both chalk paints and a red acrylic paint to mix with the white just so I can have a really cute hot pink color. All you need to do for this simple project is paint each of your dishes the colors of your choice, give a few coats, let them dry in between the coats, use a hairdryer if needed. That's what I did to get the paint to dry a little bit faster just for filming purposes. Make sure you paint the entire heart, including the insides. No glass should be showing in the end. Okay, so once both of your dishes are dry, use a black marker or a Sharpie marker to write cute sayings. These dishes reminded me so much of the candy hearts, so of course I had to write cute sayings inside of them. So the first one you'll see I'm writing "Kiss Me," and then in the baby pink one I wrote "Love." Now, of course, we could not finish today's project without any candies. Grab your kisses, pour them into your dishes, and voila, you're done. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and let's cue the B-roll.